In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for architectural design 2026 full guide. We'll start by grounding the workspace with real project data so the AI designs within your constraints. Click the plus icon beside the prompt bar, choose Add Photos and Files, and upload your zoning restrictions, environmental metrics, topographic CAD screenshots, or a client brief in PDF. Always pair uploads with localized spatial parameters rather than asking for broad design ideas. For example, you might say, act as a principal sustainable architect and master site planner. Analyze the attached client brief and site topography map. Propose 3 early stage concepts for a residential passive house container structure, each with a title, massing approach, passive solar plan, and a biophilic material palette. This combination of documents plus precise roles and outputs gives you grounded, actionable concepts instead of vague suggestions. When your scope expands to room schedules, furniture layouts, or multi-page proposals, switch to Canvas mode for a split-screen workspace that separates conversation from documents. Type SHA Canvas or request an architectural design canvas and ask for a structured spatial program for a 1,500 square foot layout. Formatted as a 4-column table showing room name, minimum target area, primary finishes, and spatial adjacency rules. Your chat history remains on the left, while an editable spreadsheet-style document appears on the right. Inside Canvas, iterate quickly with inline edits. Highlight any room entry or rationale and use the Ask ChatGPT comment bubble to refine tone and clarity, such as rewriting a spa rationale to emphasize luxurious sensory materials like rammed earth, travertine, and ashwood. Use the bottom right utility sliders to compress long proposals into an executive summary, or set tone to professional and direct, so your narrative reads like formal architectural documentation. For visualization, the GPT Images 2.0 engine can render native 4K images that respect material specs and lighting cues. Back in the main prompt box, request a photorealistic 16:9 render of your Scandinavian-style kitchen with northern daylight, micro cement, matte stone, and minimalist ash cabinetry, and target 496 by 496 pixels. After it generates, open the image full screen, choose the in-painting brush, paint over a surface, and specify an edit like changing a countertop to dark matte slate while maintaining lighting continuity. If you work parametrically in Rhino, Grasshopper, or Revit, ask for a Python script that builds a twisting facade tower with clearly commented variables for height, floor rotation, and scaling so you can tune it in your editor. If changes derail your draft, use the version history clock in Canvas to compare earlier states and restore safely. For quick reference, use deep research to survey envelope technologies with sources. Canvas to generate zoning feasibility tables. GPT Images 2.0 for high-resolution renders with localized edits, and Code Interpreter for executable scripts. Combining high-fidelity uploads, split-screen Canvas, and surgical visual edits turns ChatGPT into a powerful conceptual copilot for your architectural workflow. Thanks.